Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Christy. You're joining me in our Common Kitchen Remodeling Mistakes video series. And today we're talking about putting form over function. This means you go for the looks rather than the function. You must be attracted to some pretty fancy looking, luxurious kitchens. But wait, before you fall for just aesthetics, you need to keep in mind that the kitchen should be remodeled in a way that doesn't increase your workload. Instead, it's supposed to make working in the kitchen much easier. Now, you can avoid this blunder while remodeling your kitchen by waking up your inner chef. Maybe remember the time you were cooking pasta and spilled hot water on your own hand because the sink is a little bit higher than your height? Well, this might actually happen again if you go for the marbling of your sink rather than lowering it. What about the appliances? Well, one of the most important parts of a kitchen are the appliances. Your refrigerator, the range, the dishwasher, and the freezer. Now, while we understand that you are on a budget, it is worth investing in high-quality appliances for your kitchen makeover so that they're guaranteed to last. You definitely want quality. And placement matters. Kitchens are the busiest place in one's household, and the foot traffic between the refrigerator, the stove and oven, and the sink should be kept as smooth and spacious as possible. You don't want to end up with a cramped and awkward kitchen layout that will disrupt the natural flow. Let me ask you something else. Who will be cooking? Are you the only chef in the house? You should make room in the kitchen for more than one cook for those early mornings that are chaotic. Everyone in the kitchen trying to quickly have breakfast and leave for work or school. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, now, don't forget that you are the boss, so you better keep checking. Keep an eye on the kitchen remodeling process to make sure that the functionality of your kitchen increases by folds and matches up to your expectations. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to our channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series. Thanks, and see you soon.